Did you know there's a secret weapon for training your sexual performance, and no one ever told you how to use it? Men lose an average of 10 to 15 degrees in their erection angle with age. It's not magic, it's a weakened group of muscles, your pelvic floor. That hidden group of muscles supports your power. If you don't train it, you lose erection angle, control over ejaculation, and may even start experiencing urine leakage. That's physiology, not opinion. The problem? Almost no man trains it because most don't even know it exists.
This is where MYHIXEL steps in again, developing technology to help you perform at your sexual best. Does this ring a bell?
MYHIXEL Fit Base is your secret weapon. It's the first pelvic trainer designed specifically for men and their needs. This medical-grade device turns your training into data to improve overall intimate health. It measures, analyzes, and coaches you with an AI program to deliver stronger erections, better ejaculatory control, and help prevent incontinence.
While millions of women have incorporated pelvic floor routines into their workouts, men have largely ignored the power of training these muscles. We identified the root problem and set out to develop a best-in-class solution to enhance men's intimate health once again.
Best of all, it's 100% discreet and non-invasive with a simple site-on-top design that removes barriers to training. You just sit on it and play games on your phone. Using sensors and an AI program, it trains you without you having to think about it. It's easy, fun, and best of all, it works.
It turns out I was starting to have some issues keeping my erection. It's just like I didn't feel my erection was at 100% at some point, if you know what I mean.
Didn't expect much, but after a few weeks, I was lasting longer in bed progressively. It's kind of crazy how something so simple can make such a big difference.
I'm really happy with it because I know I'm investing in my future and actually seeing results.
10 minutes a day, 3 times a week. Simple, right? Co-created with specialists in pelvic floor therapy, urology, and sexology.
It finally gives men real feedback and guidance, just like they get in a clinical session, but from the comfort of their own home.
It is a new tool that provides precise biofeedback and muscle control, which can be very especially helpful in treatment for premature and delayed ejaculation.
It's probably the first time pelvic floor exercises have felt fun and enjoyable, and that's thanks to the app. It encourages you to play along and stay challenged. And that's the difference between starting an exercise and sticking with it in the long term.
More strength, more control, more performance.
This is the future of the MYHIXEL ecosystem, our most comprehensive tool to unlock your best sexual self. R&D and engineering are complete. IP and clinical studies are on track, and we truly appreciate your trust and loyalty over the years. Thank you once again for helping us bring this precision tool to life.
Don't wait for the damage to be done. If you haven't noticed it yet, don't wait for it to happen. And if you've already started to feel it, it's not too late. Getting your power back is possible. Start training the one thing they never taught you, your base. MYHIXEL Fit Base.